Okay, this is Charity, and I'm showing really quickly how to share an assignment with students via Google Classroom. And I maybe should have assigned this beforehand, but let's just say I'm doing this and I'm not publishing because I'm not going to do a due date right now. This is for later. And I'm going to go ahead and press assign. So I'm assigning this activity to all of my classes. And then it's going to push out through Google Classroom. And actually, I'm just going to stop it right here because I don't need it to push it out to Google Classroom. I'm actually just going to come back here. Notice it didn't push to Google Classroom. That's what the X means. The green means it did. I just didn't give it time to do that because what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this shareable link and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to Google Classroom. I think I just grabbed the link for my first period class is what I did. So first period class, let's make an assignment. And, I don't know what we want to call this, like inquiry lab number 2 ramp. And then I'm going to tell them about how they're going to be able to access Inq-ITS and it's going to score their lab for them and all of that stuff. And I'm going to stick that link in here. And then I'm going to actually go back here and I'm going to grab these two. I want my claim evidence reasoning rubric. I'm going to copy this. I would also copy that one and I'm going to add those links in here too. And then what I'm going to do, right? I've really told them like, hey, this is going to record all of your work, all of that stuff. You're going to see your scores. I'm going to see your scores. Please upload your finished a PDF of your finished lab. When you're all the way done with the lab, the button will turn green and you can print or save a PDF copy of your lab. They can do all of that here. And then anything else I want to do. And then I push it. And then students actually have this link and they're going to go from Google Classroom into the Inq-ITS system using this link. But I'm going to record that in a different video. I just want to make sure that you knew that you here in your assigned labs tab, you can just grab this shareable link. And what you do is you give this link to your students in your assignment along with your directions and everything. And this link will literally just pull your students into Inq-ITS. And I'm going to go ahead and make another video describing or showing how that happens.